English idioms are a piece of cake and are fun to use. More than that, they are commonly used, so you really need to know them. Number 1. One's cup of tea. This expression is used to tell about something you really like or you are good at.
Skiing is his cup of tea.
However, more often this idiom is used in negative statements.
Would you like to go to the rock concert with me?
No, thank you. That's not my cup of tea. Number 2. Buy a lemon. Use this idiom to tell that you bought something that does not work well or breaks a lot. Usually it refers to a vehicle.
The car has broken down again. I think I bought a lemon.
Number 3. A piece of cake. Use this idiom to tell about something that is very easy to do.
Skateboarding is a piece of cake for my friends, but not for me.
Number 4. To spill the beans. This expression means to tell someone secret information.
Trust me, I'll never spill the beans.
Number 5. To have a lot on your plate. It means to have too much work to do or too many problems to deal with.
He is very busy. He has a lot on his plate this week.
Number 6. Cry over spilt milk. It means that something has already happened and there is nothing you can do about it.
If you've made a mistake, it's no use crying over spilled milk.
Number 7. A smart cookie. A smart cookie is a clever person who makes good decisions.
If you watch this, then you are a smart cookie. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell button.
Hope to see you next time. Bye for now.